Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the USB debugging on your Redmi 14C. So before you can enable this feature, you have to enable developer options on your device. So I have done a video on how to enable developer options and I'll link it in the description. Now once you have enabled developer options, all you have to do is access the settings. So find the settings application and tap on it to proceed. Now within the settings, scroll down until you find additional settings. Tap on it to proceed. And then within the additional settings, scroll down to the bottom and you should find developer options. So tap on it. And then once within the developer option settings, all you have to do is scroll down until you find USB debugging. So it's here. All you have to do is tap on that toggle switch icon and that will enable USB debugging, and then you should get this warning. USB debugging is a highly sensitive service intended for only developers. So if you have read all that information, all you have to do is select I am aware of the possible risk and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. So tap on that check mark and tap on OK, and that will enable USB debugging on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.